Today's tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to send a video message on WhatsApp using your Android device. First, open WhatsApp on your Android device. Once you're in the app, go to chat where you want to send the video message. This can be either a one-on-one chat or a group chat. Now, in the chat, look for the camera icon located in the text input box at the bottom of the screen. Tap that icon and it will automatically open your phone's camera. Once your camera is open, you can start recording your video message. To start recording, simply tap and hold the video camera icon. You'll see the recording start and you can speak or show whatever you want in the video. Once you're done recording, release the camera button to stop recording. You'll get a preview of your video, and if you're happy with it, just tap the send button on the bottom right of your screen. Now you've learned how to send video message on WhatsApp. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our tech videos. Comment down below if there is anything else I can help you guys with. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time.